Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the platform and safety right. Open a regulated broker demo and commit 30-60 hours to practice so you won't learn with money. Once done, focus on majors, your/USD and USD/JPY, to keep spreads low and calculations simple. Make sure to understand pip value and set risk per trade to a fixed % of your account. Then install charting, choose 1-2 timeframes, add a simple moving average and RSI, and mark support and resistance. Now you construct a repeatable process, define precise entry criteria, confirm a signal, and place stop loss and take profit with at least a 1-2 risk-reward ratio. Once you have that, calculate position size using your risk amount divided by stop loss pips times pip value, so your exposure is consistent. Next, backtest and forward test on demo for about 50 trades. Log every trade in a journal and track win rate, average win versus loss, and peak drawdown to see if the strategy is viable. You go live cautiously. Fund a small account equal to 1/5% of the capital you used in demo and begin with the same rules you tested. Make sure to automate risk controls, OCO orders, daily max loss, and hard stop loss, so emotion cannot override the plan. If results deteriorate, stop trading, review your journal to isolate common mistakes, cut size to 0.5 of your live unit, and return to demo for at least 30 more validated trades before scaling up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.